Welcome back to our World We Next YouTube channel, and in today's video, we're going to discuss how you can start your very own TV channel. Whether you're passionate about entertainment, education, or broadcasting your unique content, creating a TV channel can be an exciting venture. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of launching your TV channel. Step 1. Define your channel's concept. The first step in starting your TV channel is to clearly define your concept. Determine the niche or theme of your channel. Are you going to focus on news, lifestyle, sports, or a combination of different genres? Identify your target audience and tailor your content to their interests. Step 2. Create a business plan. Next, it's essential to develop a comprehensive business plan. Outline your channel's goals, objectives, and revenue streams. Consider the costs involved, including production equipment, studio space, staffing, and marketing. Define your channel's unique selling proposition and how it will stand out among other channels in the market. Step 3. Set up your studio and equipment. Once you have your business plan in place, it's time to set up your studio and acquire the necessary equipment. Designate a space for recording or broadcasting your content. Invest in quality cameras, lighting equipment, microphones, and editing software to ensure professional production standards. Step 4. Content creation and acquisition. With your studio ready, focus on content creation. Develop engaging and high-quality programs for your channel. Consider producing original content, acquiring rights to existing shows, or collaborating with content creators. Ensure that your content aligns with your channel's concept and target audience. Step 5. Secure licensing and permissions. To legally operate your TV channel, you'll need to secure the necessary licenses and permissions. Research the broadcasting regulations and licensing requirements in your country or region. Consult with legal experts to ensure compliance and obtain the appropriate permits. Step 6. Distribution and broadcasting. Now it's time to distribute and broadcast your channel. Explore various distribution options, such as cable or satellite providers, IPTV platforms, or streaming services. Contact potential partners to negotiate distribution agreements. You can also consider launching your channel on online video platforms like YouTube, providing broader access to your content. Step 7. Promote and market your channel. To gain viewership and attract advertisers, effective promotion and marketing are crucial. Develop a marketing strategy that includes social media campaigns, collaborations with influencers, press releases, and targeted advertisements. Engage with your audience through interactive content and build a strong brand presence. Step 8. Monitor and analyze performance. Regularly monitor and analyze the performance of your TV channel. Track viewership metrics, audience engagement, and feedback. Use analytics tools to gain insights into your audience's preferences and adapt your programming accordingly. Continuously strive to improve your content and provide value to your viewers. Conclusion. Starting your own TV channel requires careful planning, dedication, and creativity. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to launching a successful TV channel. Remember to stay focused, adapt to market trends, and keep refining your content to meet the needs of your audience. Good luck, and we can't wait to see your channel thrive. That wraps up today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. As always, feel free to leave your questions and comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.